Hi friends! Today, we embark on an exciting journey through the world of cryptocurrency trading and discover how to make the most of the WEEX platform. We'll discuss how to acquire cryptocurrency on the spot market, how to use futures to profit regardless of market conditions, and why more and more traders are choosing this platform. In this video, you will find answers to the following questions: how to trade on the spot market through WEEX, how futures work and how to apply them effectively, how to get starting bonuses by using our special link. Ready? Let's go! Why choose WEEX? WEEX is a rapidly growing cryptocurrency exchange known for its simplicity, reliability, and favorable conditions for traders of all levels. Here's what makes it appealing: reliability and security. The exchange is registered in multiple jurisdictions and undergoes regular audits, ensuring the protection of all user funds. User-friendly interface. The platform is intuitive, even for beginners. Everything is thoughtfully designed and convenient without unnecessary complexities. Low fees. WEEX offers some of the most competitive conditions with low fees on the spot market and futures with no hidden charges. Wide range of assets. The exchange provides access to dozens of cryptocurrencies and trading pairs suitable for both short-term trading and long-term investments. Passive income features. Earning opportunities on WEEX extend beyond trading. Staking, copy trading, and other tools are available. Quick registration. The registration process takes just a couple of minutes, with no need for verification or excessive bureaucracy. Create an account and start trading right away. The promo code provided below the video will give you a nice starting bonus. Don't forget to activate it. If you have any questions about the registration process, don't worry. There's a detailed video on our channel that will guide you through all the steps without any hassle. So what to choose? Spot trading or futures trading? Spot trading is straightforward and transparent. You buy a coin and become its full owner. For example, if you buy Bitcoin, it's yours. You can hold it, wait for the price to rise, and then sell. This method is suitable for long-term investments and steady accumulation. Futures, on the other hand, are for those ready for more complex strategies. Here, you don't acquire the actual asset. Instead, you enter into a contract based on its price change. You can profit from both rising and falling asset prices. An added benefit is the ability to use leverage, which can significantly enhance your results. However, the risks are higher as well. A wrong decision can lead to a total loss of funds. In short, spot trading means owning the asset and stability. Futures involve speculation and quick decisions. Choose the format that best fits your trading style. To start trading on the WEEX spot market, follow these steps. Select Spot from the top menu. This will take you to the spot trading section. Choose a trading pair. I'll demonstrate the process using BTC, but you can select any available coin. Type BTC USDT in the search bar and open the desired trading pair. Trading interface. You will see the trading interface, where you'll find the order placement window in the middle at the bottom. Order options. Market order. This allows you to buy the asset at the current market price. Just enter the amount in USDT and click Buy BTC. The trade will be executed instantly. Limit order. This gives you the option to set your own purchase price. Enter your desired price and amount. The order will be executed once the market price reaches your specified level. After your order is executed, BTC will be added to your spot balance. Now, let us know in the comments, what coins do you prefer to buy on the spot market? And what are your thoughts on Ethereum? Share your strategies, insights, and experiences. We'd love to hear your stories and discuss the prospects together. The futures market on the WEEX cryptocurrency exchange offers traders unique opportunities to profit from both rising and falling cryptocurrency prices by using contracts instead of directly owning the coins. To start trading futures on WEEX, follow these steps. Go to the futures section. Here, you can choose the contract you want to trade, such as BTC USDT. Select your leverage. On the WEEX futures market, you can choose leverage, allowing you to trade amounts exceeding your deposit. For example, with 10x leverage, your $100 capital becomes $1,000 available for trading. This increases potential profits, but also risks, so it's important to carefully consider your strategy. Futures trading requires experience and market understanding, so make sure you are well prepared before getting started. Now, let's talk about margin. Margin is the collateral you deposit to open a futures position. On the WEEX cryptocurrency exchange, there are two margin modes available: isolated margin and cross margin. These modes determine how your funds will be used and what level of risk you are willing to accept. Isolated margin. In this mode, you allocate a fixed amount for a specific position. If the market moves against you, you only risk that amount. It's an excellent choice for beginners or those who want to clearly limit their risks. Even if things don't go as planned, the rest of your funds on the exchange remain safe. This approach allows you to maintain calm and confidence. Cross margin. In this mode, all available capital is used as a common reserve to cover potential losses on any position. It's attractive for experienced traders who are confident in their decisions. This mode reduces the chance of liquidation since the entire balance supports the position. However, it's important to remember that with sudden market direction changes, you may incur larger losses than anticipated. Choosing between isolated and cross margin depends on your experience and risk management strategy. Now, let's examine the two main types of orders in the futures market. Market order. This is an order for an instant trade at the current market price. It's especially convenient when it's important to quickly enter the market and not miss the moment. Market orders are used in situations where speed of execution is more critical than the exact price. Limit order. This is an order where you set the price at which you want to buy or sell the contract. It's an excellent choice for those who prefer more precise control over the trade price. A limit order is only executed when the market reaches your specified price, which may take some time. Choosing between a market order and a limit order depends on your trading goals and strategy. When deciding which direction to trade, long for a rise or short for a decline, it's important to consider the current market situation and your forecasts. Here are a few tips. Long for a rise? Choose this strategy if you are confident that the asset's price will increase. This means you buy a contract with the hope of selling it later at a higher price. Short for a decline. Open a short position if you expect the price to decrease. In this case, you sell a contract planning to buy it back later at a lower price. It's also recommended to set take profit and stop loss orders. These tools allow you to automatically close a position when certain price levels are reached, helping to manage risks and secure profits. Trading futures is like a high-speed race. It's crucial to assess risks, make quick decisions, and utilize all available tools to manage your positions on WEEX. While it may seem complex at first, with experience, you will learn to effectively leverage the market to your advantage. Now, you know how to start trading on WEEX, from simple spot purchases to advanced futures trading. The exchange offers ease of use and powerful functionality. With a bonus through our link, your start will be even more enjoyable. If you want more practice and up-to-date information, join our Telegram channel. We host live sessions with experienced traders, discussions in the trading chat, provide a learning database, and share the latest news. You can find the link in the description. Give us a like if the video was helpful, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Many interesting reviews and educational videos are ahead. Let us know in the comments which you prefer: spot trading or futures. Share your preferences and experiences. Good luck with your trading, and see you in the next videos.